Hello there, welcome to Jubilant. If you are tired of manually updating related records in your CRM, then Vtiger's Related Record Update extension is the best tool you need. This Related Record Update extension can simplify this by enabling seamless automated updates of related records across different modules in your Vtiger CRM. To get started, create a new workflow. Here we select Organization as the target module because we're updating organization details.
Click on Add Action and select JV Related Record Update. In Field Mapping, you can choose which fields from the source module should be updated in the related module. Here, we will map the organization's address to the related contacts.
You can select multiple fields here, and that should be updated across related module records. Save your field mappings and the workflow to finalize your workflow settings. Now, let's put this into action. Here, we create a sample of related record update.
Let's consider an organization record. From here, take the related contacts. Here, you can see the address details are blank in both contacts.
Now, we are updating organization-related contacts.
Organization shipping address records will now be updated automatically in its related contact address records. Now, let's check on the related contacts. Here's the first contact record. You will notice that the shipping address has been updated automatically, matching the changes we made at the organization record. And here's the second contact record. The shipping addresses have also been updated here, perfectly matching the organization's new address. This feature is so useful, especially when you need all your contact records to have the latest information without manually updating each one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Vtiger tips and tutorials. And have questions? Drop them in the comments below or contact us at hello@jubilant.com. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.